Hello everybody, this is Tamika again. I'm back with another DIY fashion video and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. So as you can see from my lovely model, I am creating a two-piece draped top and jogger pants with a drawstring on the waist as well as the pant leg. Y'all, I completely found a gem. This fabric is just what my client wanted. So nice, so drapey, very warm because at this time we did this in the winter. If you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm actually creating a mock sleeve to go on my dress form. On this particular design, the armhole doesn't exist. There's just a little space for you to put your arm through the sleeve, and that's about it. It's actually draped over the arm. So in order for me to mimic that, I needed to drape over an actual sleeve. Right now, strut, lady. Y'all, there's nothing like a happy client.